Yo, people, what's up? You welcome back to studio, and we're here to talk life with YolyBoy. How have it been going? How is everything going? How is life going with you? Hope you're doing fine and good. Don't forget, it's YolyBoy on this one. And here I'm together with a very amazing artist in the studio. A young artist who's been pushing it for some time in the industry. Straight up from Ajegunle, I have Mr. Akorede Ammythy. Yes, boss. Welcome back. Welcome. How you doing?
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Yeah, how is everything going?
But thank God everything has been good,
Okay, how is music?
Well, music has been good. Can't deny that fact.
All right, this is Mr. Akorede Ammythy with me in the studio, and he's going to be talking to us about his music pursuit and how the music has been going down there in Ajegunle. Listener, remember, you can like, you can comment, you can subscribe to the channel, you can share to a friend too. So, Mr. Akorede Ammythy, can you tell us about yourself, how the music has been going? Just talk to people, let them know you.
Yeah, my name is Akorede Ammythy. As I said, the music has been good. Everything has been perfect. Right from the start, right from when I was still young.
Okay.
From church, I started music,
Okay.
Right from church. My pastor has always inspired me.
Okay.
To do music. He's always good in music.
Okay.
So I learned a lot from him.
Wow.
From then, gradually, I started doing my thing.
Yeah.
When I was in secondary school, I wrote my first song.
Secondary school.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That was a long time coming.
Yes. I was called to the podium at school that I should do a freestyle.
Okay.
Yeah. I was a little shy then.
Okay.
It's not my thing then.
Yeah, definitely.
That was my first time on stage. So I do it and I have a lot of applause. People just keep chanting my name.
Okay,
and I felt...
be like, Akorede.
You got it, yeah.
All right.
And I felt from there, it started.
Yeah.
Everything started from there. Like the inspiration, the vision, everything started from there.
Okay.
Started pushing up from there.
And then you
Yes.
okay, now can you tell us about the musical journey? Have you recorded any songs so far in the studio, stuff like that?
Yeah, I recorded a song back then in 2022.
Okay, yeah.
But a lot happened then. That year,
A lot happened. Like, I need to know those.
yes,
A lot of things. What
that
are
year
those
has
things?
been one of my worst year. I say, if I may say.
Okay.
There has been a lot happened that year,
Yeah.
When I recorded the song that week, I had an accident.
Wow. So
There has been a fatal one, like a serious one, which I had to stay at home for like a year.
wow.
I could not even. Yes, a whole year. I could not even receive the song from the producer,
Okay.
So the next year, that is 2023, I started doing my thing gradually again.
Okay.
I went up to the producer to receive the song, something like that.
Yeah,
It has been something
I
very...
understand you. I got you.
Yeah.
So now, okay, our condolence, Mr. Akorede Ammythy. Sorry for that experience. It's part of the story. It's part of the journey. But we're happy
thank
you're
you.
back and strong right now.
Yeah, sure.
So how many songs have you got, Mr. Akorede?
Yeah, I got 3 songs.
There are 3 songs. So have you took time to write about your accident? Like when I was going on the road, the car hit me.
No. But very soon, I think it's coming.
You need to come up with something like the storyline about the accident.
Yeah, it's coming.
All those kind of things, right?
Something like that is coming very soon, I guess.
Yeah, I think you should work on that kind of thing. Now, let's talk about, Ajegunle stuff. You based in Ajegunle.
Yes,
and artists in Ajegunle are watching, they're listening, and people from in and outside of Lagos are listening right now. So how can you rate the music in Ajegunle back on the street? How do you rate it? How do you see boys going? Do you say something artists are doing good, everybody's doing fine, or there are struggles the artists are facing? What's your point of view?
Yeah, back to Ajegunle. Ajegunle is a great place.
Definitely.
Full of staff, full of musicians. People are good.
Wow.
Like, what I can say there is that the artists, though, the artists are doing good.
Okay.
They are good. But talking about the industry, I'm not sure it's something that is good enough. Like there's no push, like people are just out there with talent.
No support,
yes,
no support.
You get it. No support, nobody to push, nobody that wants to invest, something like that. Yeah. It's a painful thing, and a lot of talent are wasted there.
But I know Ajegunle to be a home for entertainment. Most of the stars, even Olamide has some Ajegunle stuff. Omale, a lot of artists, pass through Ajegunle, Zino. Most of Nigerian stars, when you count out Orisha Femi, they have this Ajegunle backup. They started from here or used to come over here and do something. Then what happened at some point? Now, apart from just normal support, what do you think are other challenges artists in Ajegunle face?
What I would say is that, well, it's not something I can talk a lot about. Everybody has their own experience. Definitely. Everybody has their own their own background. Everybody has what is happening them. Their own story. Everybody has what is doing them presently, especially this tipping. So it's not really what I can say something particularly on.
Okay, now let's come back to you in particular. How do you think Ajegunle, your music career, music Ajegunle, what can you say about that? Do you have challenges being in Ajegunle as an artist?
Yes, if I may say, and not yes.
Wow. Mr. Akorede, they say yes, if I may say yes. Yeah, make us understand. So, what is your major challenge right now as an artist?
My major challenge as an artist? Well, I can say God has given me everything I need. He has given me the talent. He has given me the opportunity myself to push my thing. He has given me a lot. But if I may say, it's a land of hustle for myself. It's a land of hustle. You need to hustle for money, make money, feed yourself for your loved ones. You have people to feed. You have people looking up to you.
Definitely.
It has really been a tough thing for me.
Okay, you said God has, done a lot to you. What are these opportunities that maybe artists can maybe come and meet you for that?
Yes, I said God has done a lot.
Yeah, you
said the talent aspect.
Yes.
Yeah, I got opportunity to be part of Gaje. That is a great opportunity for me.
Okay,
you understand?
Music, definitely. As a Gaje artist, you have
I got that opportunity.
Platform.
Yes, that platform. It has been a great opportunity for me to be part of the family. You understand?
Definitely.
So that is the grace.
Wow, I feel your vibe. You're really doing a good job. You in your own end, you're putting your most effort. At some point, we all have challenges in life. So, what can you say to fellow artists around there? That are watching or that are going to watch. What can you tell them out there?
The thing I would say to artists out there is that just keep doing your thing. No matter the circumstances, no matter the challenges, no matter what you're facing, just keep doing your thing. One day it's going to be, you understand?
One day.
One day it's going to be, for sure.
Definitely. I really love that. Everybody have to got that belief and keep pushing stuff. We had Mr. Akorede Ammythy with me in the studio. And don't forget, this is YolyBoy. And we signing out. We say thank you for coming. We see you next time.
Thank you.
All right, boss. Have a nice day. I love you all. Don't forget, we're coming back with another episode. At the meantime, you better like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. I love you all. Until next time. Bye.